Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by protecting your data, so make a quick backup to iCloud or a PC now. Once backed up, power the phone off, remove the case and any screen protector. Look for dust, liquid, or hairline cracks that impede touch. Next, force restart the device and immediately check settings for a system update. Software fixes often restore responsiveness. If you see immediate improvement, make sure to test edges and multi-finger gestures before continuing to hardware steps. Once software is ruled out, boot into safe mode to check if a third-party app causes the hard touch. If the problem persists, clean the screen carefully with a microfiber and 70% isopropyl. Avoid pouring liquid into ports. Next, if you're comfortable, remove the rear panel with plastic pry tools and keep screws organized. You want to inspect the digitizer and display connectors. Make sure you disconnect the battery first to prevent shorts. When you see a loose or corroded connector, reseat it firmly and test touch again. You finish by reconnecting the display and the battery. Align connectors and reseat them, then torque screws lightly and replace any adhesive or seals. Once reassembled, power on and run a full sensitivity test. Single finger, multi-touch, edge swipes, and while charging, because chargers can affect touch. If responsiveness is still poor, replace the digitizer or the entire screen assembly. Hardware wear or a damaged controller is common. One key troubleshooting tip. If behavior
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.